Our programme is a 4-year programme in total to get your honours degree. The students from year 1 go out and work placement, so they will be in settings 2 days a week and here on campus 3 days. So in year 1, students are on campus 3 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then they can choose to travel home and work on settings closer to their home, or some of them stay here in Castlebar to enjoy the Castlebar life.
My favourite thing about the programme is the hands-on approach. So when we come into college in first year, we're in 3 days a week and we're on placement 2 days. In second year we progress, we're 2 days in college and then the other 3 mornings we're on placement. In second year I was lucky enough to get employed in the setting, and now I'm working 5 mornings a week and I'm in college 2 days a week. In fourth year we were lucky enough to get the experience to go on a trip to Niagara College. It was the best experience ever. We got to go to visit the college, we got to form relationships with the students there, and we actually got to attend some of their classes, so we got to learn about different things that they learn, and we learned that the curriculums are actually very much the same. They're very much focused on play, similar to us, and it just made everything come together.
So when I was in first year, I was on placement. Then in second year I was working in a setting as an early years educator. Then in third year I became a room leader, while also working as an assistant manager. And then in fourth year then started off acting as an assistant manager, but now I'm just a room leader in a setting. The course then has also given me the opportunity to go abroad and to work abroad, so I'll be going off to Dubai in the summer of this year, so I'll be working over there then.